Hello everyone, this is Pavan Kumar from Computer Science Department, Raimach College, Ballari. Today, my seminar topic is Custom Application Development using Salesforce Platform under the guidance of Assistant Professor Kavita Juliet Ma'am, Raimach College, Ballari. This is my table of contents. First, introduction. Custom Application Development for Sales, Services and Marketing. In today's digital world, there is an even growing of demand of reliable softwares and programs and applications. It is main thing in every business sectors. According to Salesforce, 71% of the customers say that it's important for them they can be able to receive their product and customer support via their mobile smartphone devices. So, but even beyond connecting directly with the clients, business are discovering the custom apps are capable of extending software and hardware capabilities almost at high level through custom mobile application development. What is custom application development? Custom software application development is the process by which a company is able to design personal software solutions for a specific user or a group of users used within their organization. So the resultant of the application will be able to address company needs more efficiently than the precisely offset options. However, the time design and implement these custom applications have historically been prohibited. Only the more successful organizations could afford these certain own application solutions. So why Salesforce? There are many cloud-based application development platforms, but Salesforce is the most reliable one. Cloud-based custom application development puts the power in your hands. With low cost and no code option, you will be able to create effective software solutions specially tailored to your business needs. These are the major applications of the Salesforce. So Salesforce can provide you attract more buyers using personalized marketing. It gives you a personalized UI, win more customers by getting to know their needs and concerns. Deliver the amazing shopping experience your customers expect. Respond faster to the customer support issues on any channel. Automate with time consuming tasks by building custom applications. This is the live status of quality performance on Lightning build. So CRM. CRM is the customer relationship management. It is divided into more four fundamental parts: lead management, dashboards, sales forecasting, and real-time visibility. So what is CRM? CRM is the customer relationship management, has become an essential factor in business success. According to the most recent Salesforce State of Management report, high performance terms are 3.3 times more than likely than underperformance to use CRM tools efficiently. And other research indicates that business can expect an average return of $8.71 for each dollar invested in CRM. Then what does a CRM system do? A customer relationship management solution helps you find new customers, win their business, and keep them happy by organizing customer and prospect information in a way that helps you build stronger relationship with them and grow your business faster. CRM systems start by collecting a customer's website, email, telephone, social media, and more. Access multiple sources and channels. The CRM tool organizes their information to give you a complete record of individuals and companies overall, so you can better understand your relationship over time. So this is the main UI. This is in the Salesforce platform. So this is the Lightning App Builder section in the Salesforce platform, where you can create your applications by simply drag and drop your essential features needed for your applications. So this is a drag and drop elements to build essential features in the application, like such as chat feed, chatter publisher, filter list, flow, and report chat, rich chat, and many more. Using Lightning App Builder, you can monitor every contact, every status. There is an instant builder which helps you create your applications, and so using an instant builder, impact of cases on NSP can be listed as top 5 correlated fields, 86% of the case types, 82% of priorities, 76% device crashed, 69% installation issues, 68% elasticity. So all over, anticipated prediction accuracy is 82% more than 8 times out of 10 Einstein will likely make an correct prediction. This is a good rate and it is ready to turn. And finally, you can deploy your application and your customers can use it. Finally, conclusion. Salesforce is a powerful cloud-based technology driving the business today. It provides a robust and reliable platform for developing customer applications as well as good community. The project's applications developed in this technology automatically have cloud as their database and is very helpful for business purpose, which is growing day by day. Hence, storage and security issues are already solved by the Salesforce. The desktop the desktop ticket booking application is developed to provide ease of traveling to the people. The application meets the basic criteria of online ticket booking and also has predicted a user-friendly environment. By making a booking online, basic needs of saving time has been fulfilled. And the application can be made more user-friendly by making it a mobile application and providing tickets to user as more ease through SMS service. Articles referred. These are the articles I have referred.